3 terrorists have been killed in an encounter in Sopore in North Kashmir. Police say after specific inputs, the Amargarh area of Sopore was cordoned off at midnight. The encounter began around 2 a.m. and ended after 3 hours. 3 bodies of terrorists and their 3 rifles were recovered. 1 Jawan has also been injured.
हमें कल 1:30 बजे के करीब एक इत्तला मिली थी कि यहाँ पे अमरगढ़ के इलाके में 2-3 दहशतगर्द जो हैं वो हथियार वगैरह लेके किसी घर में बैठे हुए हैं। तो हमने आर्मी, पुलिस और सीआरपीएफ के साथ कॉर्डन लगाया कल रात को 1:30 बजे के करीब। और मॉर्निंग में जब हम सर्च कर रहे थे तो जो मिलिटेंट्स थे उन्होंने हम पे फायर किया और रिटेलिएशन में हमने भी फायर किया। और ये कम से कम फायर जो है 4 बजे से कुछ 6-6:30 बजे तक चलता रहा। इसमें 3 मिलिटेंट जो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली लश्कर-ए-तोयबा के हैं वो मारे गए। उनसे 3 AK-47 राइफल जो हैं वो रिकवर की गए। उनकी आइडेंटिटी अभी हम एसरटेन कर रहे हैं।
And Zafar Iqbal now joins us for more on this. Zafar, 2 encounters yesterday, 1 today in North Kashmir. 3 terrorists have been killed, and as you were pointing out, these belong to the Lashkar-e-Toiba.
Well, that's right, Bhairavi. There was an input about the presence of militants in Amargarh area of Sopore in North Kashmir, and it was a joint operation which was carried out by the army, the police, and the CRPF. Now, the area was cordoned off at midnight, and immediately there was a firefight. And in a brief encounter, 3 militants have been killed. 2 have been identified as local militants belonging to Kashmir, and 1 is still being identified. Still, identity is not known, but 3 weapons have been recovered from the encounter site. The encounter is over. But 1 policeman has also been injured in that firefight. But clearly, we've been seeing a lot of encounters taking place, particularly in South Kashmir, where so many top militant commanders have been killed over the last few months. But today, this was an encounter that took place in Sopore in North Kashmir. Sopore has traditionally been a hub for militancy in the past, but there was a lull. There was peace in that area for some time now, but today that fragile peace again broken with this encounter that's taking place in Sopore. 3 Lashkar-e-Toiba militants have been killed in Sopore in that encounter. Harvey?
Right, Zafar, thanks very much for joining us with the very latest there. We will keep coming back to you for more.